Did you know that there's a lot more to sugar than just its sweet taste? Sugar plays an essential role in the way foods not only taste, but also in how they look, and even how long they last. There is a lot of chemistry going on when ingredients in a recipe are put together. The structure of the sugar molecule, made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, makes it easy to bond with other molecules. And because it absorbs moisture, the word for that is hygroscopic, sugar is a very good natural preservative. By absorbing water, sugar helps prevent the growth of microorganisms that can spoil food. Sugar also affects the way food looks. For example, ever wonder why the crust of bread is brown? That's because sugar reacts with the proteins in food, causing them to become brown when heated. Oh, and about that bread. The yeast bakers use to make bread eats sugar. And when it does, it releases carbon dioxide that makes the dough rise. Sugar can turn brown through a process called caramelization too, which happens when sugar is heated. In fact, if you heat white table sugar in a pan, it becomes caramel. Sugar helps determine the texture of baked goods by interacting with flour. If there's only a little sugar, you get a dense texture, like in a dinner roll. If there is a lot of sugar, the result will be fluffy, like cake. And when you beat together sugar with butter or shortening, it forms air pockets that give cookies their crumbly texture. Also, because it absorbs moisture from other ingredients, it turns the edges crispy. Even ice cream is creamy because of sugar. Sugar lowers its freezing point, which prevents the formation of ice crystals. Without sugar, you wouldn't get that smooth scoop of ice cream. While white granulated sugar or table sugar is probably what you think first when you hear sugar, there are other types of sugar too. The difference is in the size of the sugar crystal and the level of molasses. Powdered sugar is just white granulated sugar ground into powder, making the granule size much smaller than table sugar. You often see this used on icings or sprinkled on cakes. Brown sugars are made by mixing white sugar with molasses. There's light brown sugar, commonly used in baking, and dark brown sugar with more molasses, used in things like gingerbread. The molasses also helps baked goods stay moist. Turbinado sugar, sometimes known as raw cane sugar, is also brown because of the naturally present molasses left on the crystals. This type of sugar has been processed just enough to make it safe to eat. No matter the type of sugar, real sugar equals sucrose.